As we mentioned, Italy is now dealing with the biggest outbreak of the coronavirus outside Asia. 5 people have died, more than 200 have been infected, and that is causing concerns for some students and parents at Bristol Central High School after some students and faculty just came back from a trip to Italy. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Courtney Zeller is live in Bristol now with more on what's being done. Courtney?
Well, Dennis, some parents told us today they kept their kids home from school even though they didn't go on the trip. Now, the health district made recommendations for those travelers who just returned from Italy, but they say right now there are no concerns. Meanwhile, parents disagree. Some Bristol Central High School parents, including Patricia Miller, are raising concerns after they say 14 students and 6 adults, some teachers, went on a trip to Italy where the coronavirus has now hit.
It was about a 3.5-hour difference from where they were staying to where the main outbreak was.
The students returned home late Friday night from the trip. CNN is reporting that at least 219 people have been infected by the coronavirus in Italy, and the bulk of those cases are in the northern region of Lombardy. We sat down with the Bristol-Burlington Health District Director of Health, Marco Palmieri.
There's no concern at Bristol Central High School.
He says they are getting guidance from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and earlier today they recommended these travelers should stay home for 24 to 48 hours.
We felt that it's best to recommend because we don't have any concrete evidence to withhold anyone from school or work. So we would recommend and hope people understand that, hey, listen, we live in a day and age where information changes rapidly, and at this point in time, we had nothing really to concretely make our decision.
But for parents, they say most of the students and staff were in school today. They feel those who went on the trip should remain home.
And if it should be mandatory that people stay home, then they stay home because, from what I understand, people don't show symptoms for 14 to 19 days. So although they may feel perfectly healthy and fine now, if in a week or 2 weeks they start to get sick, they may have already spread it.
Now, the school district did release a statement as they are working hand in hand with the health district here. I did reach out to the superintendent. I called, I emailed. I did not hear back today. We're live at the mobile newsroom from Bristol. Courtney Zeller, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.